Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a reindeer, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the eye. We're going to start from the center, stepping across on the left hand side, drawing in a circle. Let's leave a gap right in the middle. We're going to come across on the right, lining this up at the exact same height. We're just going to draw in our right eye. Now let's add in our highlight. On the top left, let's draw in another circle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right eye as well. Let's move down on a diagonal. We're going to draw in our second highlight, drawing in our second circle, just making this one slightly smaller. And then from here, let's color in our pupils black. And if you're using a pencil, something different than a marker, you can do this at the end when you're coloring in your reindeer. Let's come in towards the middle. We're going to draw in a sideways oval for that nose. Now for the mouth, from the center, we're going to curve this line around and up on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the exact same thing, stepping over on the right. Let's move underneath both eyes for the cheek. We're going to draw in a sideways oval. So we're going to connect this from the top of the eye, scooping this all the way around and bringing that through on the bottom. And then we're going to flip across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now let's move up. And right in the middle here, as we come up for the bow, we're going to leave quite a big gap in the center. Let's draw in a circle. For the top of the bow on both sides, we're going to scoop this line around, leaving a gap, stepping over, replicating that on the right. Now from that inside corner, we're going to curve this back over and through towards the side, again leaving a gap right in the middle. And now we're just going to add in a small detailed line right in the center, curving that line across. Now let's frame in the head. So from the bow on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, around, and out. We're going to flip across on the right-hand side, replicating that, bringing this down, over, and through towards the side. Now from this point, we're going to curve this line back in, adding in a small fluff of hair on the cheek. And then we're going to step down and replicate this on the bottom. So from that corner, we're going to curve this down and then back in. Let's close off the bottom of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and through towards the middle. And then flipping over on the right-hand side, let's replicate that again, blending that in together. Now right in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, connecting that from eye to eye. And then moving underneath the cheek here from each oval, we're just going to scoop this line out towards the side. Let's come up and draw in a small eyebrow above each eye now. So we're just going to arch this line over and down. Now let's draw on the reindeer antlers. So we're going to come beside the bow. We're going to curve this line out, up, curving this back around and then in. Let's do the same on the right. So we're going to bring this line out, up, back around, and then in. Now from this point again, we're going to curve this line around, up and over, flipping over on the left-hand side, replicating that. Let's draw on the rest of the antler now. So stepping beside, we're going to curve this line around, up. We're going to flatten that out as we come in on the side. We'll step across on the left-hand side, mirroring that. Now let's continue to curve this in. So starting back on this line, we're going to arch this line around and through towards the top of the head. We'll flip across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now let's focus on the ears underneath. So stepping underneath the antler, we're just going to curve this line down and out. And then from this point, we're just going to curve this back around and in towards the side of the head. Now from that corner on the inside here, let's curve this line down, up and over. Let's draw in the collar. So coming down for the bell in the center, let's draw in a nice big circle, scooping that back around towards the chin. In the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then directly on the bottom here, let's just draw in a small circle. For the collar, we're going to curve this line out on the left and right hand side, drawing that at an even size. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this back around and through towards the chin. Now let's come underneath for the body. We're going to arch this around and through. And on the back, we're going to curve this down. We're just going to make this line slightly shorter. We're going to draw in a small tuft of hair in the middle here. So coming down, we're going to curve this line down and then back up, creating a letter V. And then stepping over on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. Now from here again, let's curve this line around and through towards the top. And then from this point, we're just going to curve this line down, scooping that back in. Let's move underneath right in the middle here. We're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now let's draw in the legs. So on the front here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming in on both sides, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off. On the bottom, we're going to scoop this around. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards this line on the left. And then on the right, we're going to replicate that, except we're just going to leave a gap as we come up between this line and the line on the top. We're going to close off a curved line on the left and right hand side, bringing that down. And then now from here, we're just going to close off the hoof by curving this line over and across. Moving in behind for our hind leg, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. And then right in the middle, replicating that again. Let's draw on the side of the body, scooping out. So we're going to curve this line back up, adding in a small detailed line, curving that through. Now let's draw in the hind leg. So starting on the back, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line back down, around and over. Now let's draw in a curved line on the bottom. And lastly, we're just going to draw in the little tail. So on the top, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the same on the bottom, leaving a gap. Starting from that point again, curving this around and down on both sides, scooping that in. And then again from this corner, curving this around and down right in the middle, joining that together. And that is it. That's how you draw a reindeer. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.